Hey, first grade. Okay, are you ready for another exciting day of social studies? Let's go ahead and take a look at our target. It says, I can identify human resources or characteristics and distinguish them from natural resources. Ooh, distinguish. That's a big fancy word. That just means I can tell the difference. Yesterday, we learned about natural resources and how a natural resource is something that came from nature. We didn't make it. Today, we're going to see if we can identify human resources or man made resources. I know, girls, it's not always nice to hear man made, but that just means men or women made it. Let's go ahead and review. We talked about water being a natural resource. We use that a lot and we don't make that. We learned that rocks were a natural resource, air, trees, oil, and animals. All of these were natural resources. These are things found in nature that we use every day or almost every day that we can't make. They're just occurring naturally. Today, we're going to see if we can distinguish, that means tell the difference between natural resources and man made or human characteristics of a place. Let's go ahead and get started. Ooh, okay. Our first set of objects, we have a picture of rocks and a ring. Ooh, okay. One of these is a natural resource. That means it just happens in nature. And one of these is man made. As much as it would be really cool to just walk outside and find a big diamond ring, I don't think they just occur naturally. I think that the ring is man made and the rocks are the natural resource. Ooh, that was fun. Let's try again. Oh, a hamburger and a cow. Okay, what do you think is natural? The cow, yeah. Cows are just occurring in nature. A hamburger is definitely man made. We would use a natural resource like the cow to make the hamburger. That's right. A hamburger is not just occurring in nature. That'd be pretty cool if it was, though, right? Ooh, oh, it's water. That's two types of water. Okay, we have an ocean and a pool. Oh, oh, hang on. Even it's both types of water, but since it's labeled, one is specifically the ocean and one is a pool. Well, I know water is a natural resource, but I don't think pools are just a natural resource. I think people have to make them. So I think the pool is man made, but the ocean is natural. It's just there. Nobody had to make the ocean, you know? Ooh, a house or trees? Well, what do you think? Yeah, I agree. I think that the house is man made using the trees. That's right. Trees are the natural resource. And it looks like they had to use trees to help build that house. Oh, yeah, you notice there's even like some plants and stuff on the roof. Another natural resource. We have to use natural resources to make man made things. Okay, we have a pie and wheat. Ooh, let me look and see what I notice about this. Ooh, the wheat definitely looks like it's a plant and like it's growing out of the ground. And I don't think we made that. And I remember last week at Thanksgiving, I saw somebody making a pie. So I definitely think that the pie is a man made resource and the wheat would represent like plants or anything that grows. So that would definitely be a natural resource. Ooh, corn and bread. Oh, it almost sounds like cornbread, doesn't it? Ooh, this is just like before. The corn is like a plant, it's a natural resource. And the bread, somebody had to make that. You know, even if you don't make the bread at your house and you just go buy it from the store, somebody had to make that because it doesn't just occur naturally in nature. So it is a man made resource. Ooh, both of these make light, but the sun, I don't think anybody had to make the sun. It's just there, right? We don't have to do anything. It's just going to be there. But a light bulb, somebody definitely had to make a light bulb. That light bulb is man made, but the sun is definitely a natural resource for us. And we use the sun a lot, don't we? Air and wind. Wait a second. Air and wind? I don't make air or wind. They both are just in nature. I think they're trying to trick us. These are both natural resources. That's right. They both occur naturally, and we have to use them for different things, but they are still natural resources. A shoe and a tire? Wait a second, they're tricking us again. Do shoes or tires just naturally happen in nature? No, somebody definitely had to make that. They had to use natural or other man made resources to make these man made or human resources. Ooh, there's three. Okay, we have glass, coal, and minerals. Well, I know that coal and minerals are things that you can get from the earth and they look like rocks. And I know rocks are a natural resource, but glass, you know what? I remember when we were learning about rocks in science, we learned that you use rocks to make glass. I don't think glass is just naturally out there. So I think that the glass is the man made resource, but the coal and the minerals are the natural resources. Oh, three again. Okay, lead, paper, and pencils. Oh, we have paper and pencils in our classroom, and you do at your house too. Hmm. Okay, well, somebody definitely had to make the paper. We learned about that when we were talking about trees, and I've never seen a pencil just like growing outside before. I think somebody also had to make a pencil, but lead, that's a kind of mineral and kind of rock. So I know that that is a natural resource. It just occurred naturally. Ooh, a statue and soil. Okay, what do you think? Which one is the natural resource? Yeah, it's the soil. Yeah, we didn't make that. It's just occurring naturally. And the statue, definitely man made. We didn't just wake up one day and it popped out of the ground. Somebody had to make it. Okay, let's play a little game before you do your seesaw assignment. We have a whole list of items and we have to decide, is it natural or man made? You need to think to yourself, is that just out in nature or did somebody have to make that? Our first picture is a can, like a soda can. What do you think? Yeah, definitely man made. Somebody had to make that. Ooh, what about a basket? Yeah, also man made. Ooh, what about honey? What do you think? It's actually a natural resource because people don't make that. Honeybees make the honey. So it is considered a natural resource because we didn't make it. It's just occurring in nature. We can walk outside and find it. Now, the honey you find outside is going to be a little bit different than the honey you find at Walmart or HEB or anything like that, but it's still a natural resource. What about a chair? Man made. A river? Yep, a natural resource. Oh, what about a chicken? Yeah, they're just naturally occurring in nature. Ooh, plastic? Man made. And oil? Yep, that is a natural resource. On Seesaw, your assignment looks just like this. You have some pictures on the side that you need to decide, is that a natural resource? Is it just occurring in nature? Or is it a man made resource? Is it something that we had to make? You need to drag the picture to the correct box and make sure you push the green check mark when you're done.